the light will go solid and the door will shut. Hello, you bright and smiley faces. Mark with Ohana Garage Doors, and today we're going to address an issue where your garage door won't shut. You come over, you try and hit the button, and nothing happens. Or you're going to have the head unit up there flash and the lights go out. First thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to check both of your sensors. Make sure you have a solid light on each sensor. You have a sensor on each side of the garage. A quick look at this one, we have a solid light. We come over to this side, and we have a flashing light. Some will have a flashing light, some the light will go out. But the key is, if you do not have two solid lights, you're going to want to check the line of sight to make sure that you do not have an obstruction. In this case, we do have something in the way. If we move this out of the way, you give it a second to reset, the light will go solid and the door will shut. If you find that your line of sight is clear and the door still will not shut, you can come back over to the wall button. And this you can only do with the wall button. You cannot do it with the remote. You cannot do it with the keypad. It's got to be the wall button inside the garage. And the reason it's got to be this is because I've got a line of sight to my garage door and I can see that there's nothing in the way. So if I press and hold the wall button down, the door will start to move, and I want to continue to press the wall button down until the door touches the ground. Holding the button down, once it hits the ground, I let go of the button and the door is now shut. So if I do that, I know that the issue is going to be inside the sensor, so I'm going to try and address a couple of causes. The easiest and most common is it can be an adjustment on either side of the sensors. Some are an adjustable type sensor. You can come over to this side and you should be able to wiggle this thing up or down, line it up so both of your lights will stay solid. If you find that that does not happen and they are still flashing, then you will want to check the sensor itself, make sure that the sensor is solid, completely secured to the door, and you're going to want to make sure that this wiring is intact and solid back there. If at this point you still cannot get your sensors to go on, or you're having an issue getting the door shut, that's when you're going to want to contact a garage door professional. My favorite professional is Ohana Garage Door Repair.